Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new here, my name is Malex Alexander, and you are watching Malex Studios. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are having a fun, fierce, and fabulous day wherever you are in the world. I have a haul for you guys today, which I am very excited about. There is this absolutely amazing store called New Look. In this place called Westbrook Mall. And you won't believe the prices, okay? Everything in this bag, less than $30. Okay? And there's a lot. But less than 30 bucks is what I got everything for, okay? So, without further ado, let's get into this haul. I know I have had quite the couple weeks with my move and everything, and before I say anything, just a disclaimer, the video is coming, okay? But I wanted to film something for you guys, something fun, something just like fun and easygoing. I know I haven't been filming a lot of videos lately, and that's because this move that I have been going through has taken up a lot of my time, and it has been an absolute nightmare. But today, we're going to do something fun. Alright, so the first thing that I am going to open is the jewelry. I absolutely love buying jewelry from them. It's all costume jewelry, but the pieces that she selects, like, when I go in there, I always find pieces that I want. Like, always. So I always end up finding, like, so much jewelry. And as if I don't have enough, if you were in my TikTok live the other night and watched me put on all 60 pieces of my jewelry, yeah, we're just adding to the collection now, which is pretty bad. I really don't need any more jewels, but you know what? It's the holidays and I wanted to treat myself. So we're going to start with the rings. I bought 4 of them. So this is ring number 1. I really love this. It's like a Celtic flower knot kind of ring. And these are all adjustable as well. We're in the center. I love all the black stones around it. Again, this is just costume jewelry, but still so pretty. Okay, so next one we are going to do is another kind of Celtic knot. I don't know if this is an infinity knot or not, but this one was also really stunning and just really, like, spoke to me. So this is the next one. It's so pretty with all the black stones as well. I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing this one quite a bit. It's just so stunning. Next, we have something a little bit more simple. You know me, you know, like, I do love my gaudy stuff, but I wanted a simple kind of ring that just had a few stones. So I found this one. I think it's really nice. It's just got 5 little stones. Again, costume jewelry, so it'll probably turn my hands green, but still gorgeous, you know, as long as you don't wear them too often. Also, I have been told that if you put clear nail polish or like a clear coat or a top coat around the insides of your rings, they won't tarnish as quickly as well. So just a little hint. For the last ring, and this one really caught my eye because I am very much a pirate. I love piratey things. So as soon as I saw this skull with the stones, I was like, ah, I need to have a look at that. It is so freaking cool. I absolutely love this. This is like such a pretty piece. Like, I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. You know I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. So there we go. So those are the rings. Now, when I tell you I have an addiction to pretty jewelry, I really do. I found not 1, not 2, not but 3 absolutely stunning necklaces. And actually, I'm going to be right back because I'm going to change so that you guys can actually see what they look like on. Okay, so I've changed into this blazer. These are actually really gorgeous earrings that I found, believe it or not, at Aldo. But they looked so good as lapels that I had to put them on this blazer. But these necklaces that I'm going to show you are a little bit more formal, but you could like dress them up, dress them down. But this was the lowest cut that I had so that you can really get a feel for these gorgeous pieces that I'm about to show you, because like I'm dead. So this is going to be number 1. Oh my god. So this is necklace number 1. Hi. Can we talk about sparkle? Oh my god, I absolutely love this. It literally draws your eye right down. So like, ooh, like I cannot with this. This is so stunning. I absolutely love this. I am gonna wear this all the freaking time. It's so pretty. And they're super lightweight as well because they're not real stones. So, you know, and like I find some costume jewelry just sparkles so much nicer. And I'm absolutely in love with this piece. Like, this is so pretty. Oh my god. I can't stop staring at it in the viewfinder. Like, it's so gorge. Look at the sparkle on, oh my god. So there we go. There is necklace number 1. Here we have necklace number 2. Look at her though. Like, damn. Like, I almost want to put like another crystal right in the center. Or you could do like a picture or something like that in here. I don't know. But whatever you decide to do with it. Like, this is just, oof. This is stunning. Like, literally stunning. This is very, like, posh. Very night out. Very, going to dinner at, like, a 5-star restaurant kind of piece. Definitely, I absolutely love this. I think it's so pretty. And look at how much they sparkle. Like, they have such a beautiful sparkle to them. Ugh. I'm dead. So, there is necklace number 3. Or number 2, sorry. That was necklace number 2. When I saw this, I just about died because of how beautiful it is. And how just insanely, like, I don't know who designed this, but whoever designed it did a really good job. Because, like, I've never seen a necklace like this before, so let me know. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then look at the pendant. Can we talk about this pendant, please? Like, oh my good gravy. Like, I mean, if you didn't know from, like, far away, you would think that this was real. And look at the little diamond on the bottom, too. So, yeah, so that's all the jewelry that I got. And now, I have not 1, but 2. And I still cannot believe the price of these. Okay, so, just so that you guys are aware, those rings, $1.50 each. Each one of these necklaces, this one was $4.99. The other 2 were $5.99, which I find kind of funny because this one's way nicer, yet it was the cheapest. But I digress. Now, these were 2 for $4, okay? And if you know me, I love a good fedora, right? Got this one at Aldo. I think this one was like $30. But I love fedoras. I look super good in fedoras. Always have, always will. They just suit my style so nicely. It kind of fits. It's definitely too big. I definitely should have tried it on first. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I could definitely get away with wearing it for like a couple videos or something. And it's a little bit more of a cowboy style, just the way that it's raised. I think I might have to bend this out and down a little bit just to fix it. Because it is giving a little bit more, howdy, little lady, which I don't like. But you know what? It is what it is. We'll make it work. She'll look great for, you know, some videos or something like that. We'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. But I mean, could you imagine me in an all pink outfit? Like this kind of pink. So hot. So hot. I absolutely love it. You know what I also could do is I could just buy some foam, actually, and I could put some foam around the inside of it so that it fits me a little bit nicer. But, like, I mean, $2 for $4. $2 for $4. Like, $4 for two hats. The necklaces were more expensive than these. Alright guys, well that is my entire video for you guys today. I hope you guys had a fun, fierce, and fabulous time watching me go through all this fabulous jewelry and these gorgeous, gorgeous hats. Again, the store that I got these all from is called New Look. It's in Westbrook Mall in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So if you are ever passing through, make sure you head over there and check out some of their absolutely amazing, amazing stuff. They have earrings, they have brooches, they have wigs, they have hats, they've got necklaces, they've got like anything you could possibly imagine. So definitely worth going and checking them out. It's just worth the experience alone. And like I said, all of this, less than $30. Okay? So if you're looking for some nice costume jewelry and you just want to zhuzh up a little bit, but you don't want to break the bank, that is the place to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It would mean the absolute world to me if you would do that. And as always, remember, you are beautiful, you are capable, you are worth it, and you are enough. And I love you. Bye, guys.